Hey everyone, this is Twisted T. I just wanted to do a quick how-to video on setting up Bonjour forwarding on your Meraki device, basically AirPrint in this example. I have a template here that just gives us a quick overview of what the network looks like. In this example, we have a Meraki router over here with a trunk port to a layer 3 switch. And down here, PC VLAN, VLAN 10, is the work group or workstations, the computers that are hardwired to the network, and we have an AirPrint compatible printer also connected to this network. Up here we have an access point, which is the Wi-Fi VLAN, and this is for the laptops, the iPads, and the iPhones. The goal here is anything that attaches to the Wi-Fi VLAN, we want it to be able to see the AirPrint printer on the PC VLAN. And we can do that with the Meraki router. So basically what you'll do is go ahead and log into your account. And you'll go right into your Meraki dashboard. Once you log in, select the network that you want to implement this on. And on the left-hand side, you'll then select Security and SD-WAN, and then you'll go over and select Firewall. Once you select Firewall, you will then go down and scroll towards the bottom of this next screen, and you'll see Bonjour forwarding. And what you're going to do, the description, you can just put in AirPrint. The service VLAN, just think of that as where are the printers that are offering the service. So in this case, it will be the PC VLAN. And then the client VLANs is our Wi-Fi VLAN. So we'll select client VLAN for this. And then for service, you'll just go ahead and, you'll go ahead and select printers. You'll also see some others on there, such as AirPlay, that's for the Apple speakers. You'll see AFP and iChat. Those are some older ones, but printers is the only one that we need. So in the end, you'll end up seeing AirPrint, PC VLAN, Wi-Fi VLAN, and then printers. Just go ahead and scroll to the bottom and select Save Settings, and that will push all those settings down to your Meraki device, and give it a couple minutes, and you'll be up and running, allowing those Wi-Fi clients to be able to print to the other VLAN where the Apple printer is. Just a quick tip. If you are in like a school setting, for example, or a corporate environment and you have multiple printers that are AirPrint compatible, go into the IP address of the printer and look for Bonjour. The settings, obviously it has to be enabled for this to work, which I just showed you, but also in the name, you can change it to, like, for example, Classroom A or Conference Room 1, and then that will be the name that will be broadcasted for that device out on the network. So that's just a quick tip if you have multiple devices, so then when they have their iPhone or their iPads or their laptops, they'll be able to see those multiple devices when they go to print to an AirPrint printer. Hope this helps.